Question number 56. The distance of point P minus 4, 1, 3 from the plane x plus y plus z is equal to 2 along the line x plus 9 divided by minus 5 is equal to y minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to z minus 5 divided by 2 is. So, question is asking distance of this point from this plane along the line given. So, first of all, just check, is point P lie on this line or not? So, just substitute here, minus 4 plus 9 divided by minus 5 is equal to 1 minus 2 divided by 1 is equal to 3 minus 5 divided by 2. So, just check, you are getting here minus 1 which is equal to minus 1 which is equal to minus 1. So, point P lies on this line. Very great. So, just assume any point on the given line which is minus 5 lambda minus 9 lambda plus 2 and 2 lambda plus 5. So, just assume Q point lies on this plane. So, just substitute here minus 5 lambda minus 9 plus lambda plus 2 lambda plus 5 is equal to 2. So, from here you can see you are getting lambda is equal to minus 2. So, just substitute lambda in the Q. So, Q is equal to 1, 0, 1. So, now distance of PQ is root 30. So, option number 4 is your correct answer. Now, move on next question. Question number 57. If mean and variance of 5 observations x1, x2, x3, x4 and x5 are 20 and 16 respectively, then the standard deviation of 6 observations x1 to x5 and minus 100 is equal to. So, it is given summation of xi divided by 5 is equal to 20. So, from here summation of xi is equal to 100. Basically, summation of xi is equal to x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5. And second information is variance. So, variance is summation of xi square divided by n minus summation of xi by n whole square. So, just write down summation of xi square divided by 5 minus 20 square, that is equal to 16. So, from here you can calculate summation of xi square, that is equal to 16 plus 20 square multiply with 5. Now, you have to calculate standard deviation of new 6 observations that are x1 to x5 and minus 100. So, for calculating standard deviation, we have to find out mean. So, mean of new data x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5 minus 100 divided by 6 is equal to, from here you can see x1 plus x2 plus x3 plus x4 plus x5, that is equal to 100. So, which is 100 minus 100 divided by 6 equal to 0. So, mean of new observations is 0. Now, variance is summation of x1 square plus x2 square plus x3 square plus x4 square plus x5 square plus 100 square is divided by 6 minus 0. So, this value is this. So, just write down 16 plus 400 multiply with 5 plus 100 square divided by 6. This is your variance. So, just calculate sigma square, that is equal to 12080 divided by 6. Just calculate it. So, now standard deviation is root over 6040 divided by 3. So, just check on all options. Option number 2 is your correct answer. Now, move on. Next question. Question number 58. The probability that a team of 2 girls and 3 boys from a class of 5 girls and 7 boys never has two specific boys together. So first of all, sample space is, you have to make a team of 2 girls and 3 boys out of 5 girls and 7 boys. So 5C2 multiply with 7C3. This is your sample space. Now for favorable ways, 2 specific boys never together. So just choose 2 girls out of 5 and don't choose 2 specific boys. So out of 5 boys we have to choose 3 boys either. 5C2, just take out of 2 boys only 1 boy. So 2C1, remaining 2 boys out of 5 boys. So 5C2. This is your favorable ways. Now just calculate it. This is your 10 and 7, 6, 5 divide by 6. That is your 350. And which this is your 10 plus 20, which is your 300. So required probability is 300 divided by 350, so which is 6 by 7. So option number 1 is your correct answer. Now move on, next question. Question number 59. Let A vector and B vector are 2 vectors such that mod of A vector mod of B vector is equal to A vector dot B vector plus 6, and mod of A vector into mod of B vector plus A vector dot B vector is equal to 12. And it is also given A vector cross B vector is collinear with I vector plus A vector. Then we have to find out the value of A vector cross B vector. So first of all, just assume mod of A vector B vector as x, another variable, and A vector dot B vector as y. So we have two equations, x equal to y plus 6 and x plus y is equal to 12. So from here we are getting x equal to 9 and y equal to 3. So see, mod of A vector mod of B vector is equal to 9 and A vector dot B vector is equal to 3. And now another information is given, A vector cross B vector is equal to lambda times I cap plus j cap. Now A vector cross B vector, modulus of A vector cross B vector is mod of A vector mod of B vector into sine theta. So from here you can say this is 9 into sine theta, and from both equation you can calculate cos theta, that is equal to 1 by 3. So from here you can say 9 into sine theta is your 2 root 2 by 3, so which is equal to 6 root 2. Now just take modulus here on both sides, so you will get A vector cross B vector mod is equal to mod of lambda and mod of I cap plus j cap. So here this is 6 root 2 is equal to mod of lambda into mod of I cap plus j cap is root 2. So mod of lambda is equal to 6. So A vector cross B vector is equal to 6 times I cap plus j cap, because lambda is your any real number. So A vector cross B vector is equal to 6 times I cap plus j cap. So option number 2 is your correct answer. Now move on, next question. Question number 60. The plane through the intersection of planes x plus y plus z is equal to 3 and 3x minus 2y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0 and perpendicular to xz plane. So this question is based on family of planes. So just write down equation of plane which passing through the both planes is x plus y plus z minus 3 plus lambda time 3x minus 2y plus z plus 5 is equal to 0. And just write down x times 1 plus 3 lambda plus y times 1 minus 2 lambda plus z times 1 plus lambda minus 3 plus 5 lambda is equal to 0. The plane passing through the intersection planes and perpendicular to xz plane. So when given equation of plane is perpendicular to xz plane, so it means which is parallel to y axis. So direction ratio or direction cosines of y axis is 0, 1, 0. So 1 plus 3 lambda 0 plus 1 minus 2 lambda 1 plus 1 plus lambda into 0 is equal to 0. So from here you are getting lambda is equal to half. So just substitute lambda is equal to half in this equation. You will get x times 5 by 2 plus y times 0 plus z times 3 by 2 plus 5 by 2 minus 3 is equal to 0. So from here you are getting 5x plus 3z is equal to 1. So just check on our options. Option number 3 is your correct answer. Now move on next question.